Hey y'all! Welcome back to Natural Hacks, and today we're diving into the magical world of baking soda. You won't believe the amazing things this little box can do for your hair, skin, and overall health. We're talking about simple, down-home remedies that'll have you looking and feeling your best, all with something you probably already have in your pantry. So grab yourself a glass of iced tea, settle in, and get ready to be amazed by the power of plain old baking soda. First things first, let's talk about those luscious locks. Did you know that baking soda can be a fantastic hair cleanser? It's true. Just mix a tablespoon of baking soda with your regular shampoo, work it into a lather, and wash your hair like you normally would. The baking soda helps remove buildup from styling products and hard water, leaving your hair squeaky clean and shiny. You'll feel like you just stepped out of a swanky salon, but without the hefty price tag. We've all been there. It's day 2 or 3 after washing your hair, and those roots are looking a little, shall we say, lived in. But before you reach for that expensive dry shampoo, hold on. Baking soda to the rescue. Just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda onto your roots, work it in with your fingertips, and voila. The baking soda acts like a magnet for oil and dirt, leaving your hair looking fresh and full of volume. It's like a little magic trick for your mane. Now let's give our faces some love. For a smooth and glowing complexion, baking soda is your new best friend. Simply mix a little bit of baking soda with water to create a paste. Think the consistency of a thick pancake batter. Gently massage this paste onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the delicate eye area. The baking soda gently lifts away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Rinse it off with warm water, and get ready to say hello to your freshest face yet. Chapter 4. Bye-bye blemishes! We've all had those moments where a pesky pimple pops up at the worst possible time. But don't fret, baking soda can help with that too. Make a thick paste with baking soda and water, and dab a little bit directly onto the blemish. Leave it on overnight, and in the morning, rinse it off with warm water. Baking soda helps to dry out the pimple and reduce redness, leaving your skin looking clearer and calmer. It's like a little miracle worker for those unexpected breakouts. Chapter 5. Say cheese and baking soda. Want a brighter, whiter smile without the harsh chemicals? Baking soda's got you covered. Mix a little bit of baking soda with water to create a paste and use it to brush your teeth. The baking soda gently polishes away surface stains, leaving your teeth looking pearly white. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. You'll be flashing those pearly whites with confidence in no time. Chapter 6. Foot Spa Fantasy. After a long day of working on the ranch, my feet are always barking. That's when I turn to my trusty baking soda for a little at-home pampering. Fill a basin or your bathtub with warm water and add about half a cup of baking soda. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes and let the baking soda work its magic. It helps to soften rough skin, neutralize odors, and soothe tired feet. It's like a mini spa treatment right in your own home. Chapter 7. Deodorant dilemma solved. Ran out of deodorant at the most inconvenient time? Don't sweat it. Baking soda can help you stay fresh all day long. Simply pat a little bit of baking soda under your arms and you're good to go. The baking soda neutralizes odor-causing bacteria, keeping you feeling fresh and confident. It's a simple, natural solution for those oops moments. Chapter 8. We've all been there, spent a little too much time in the sun, and ended up with a nasty sunburn. Ouch. But before you reach for the aloe vera, try this. Add a cup of baking soda to a cool bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The baking soda helps to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and promote healing. It's like a big hug for your sun-kissed skin. Chapter 9. Y'all know I love my spicy food, but sometimes it loves me back a little too much. When heartburn strikes, I turn to my trusty baking soda. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. The baking soda helps to neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief from that burning sensation. It's a simple, effective remedy that's been used for generations. Chapter 10. Summertime means spending time outdoors, but it also means pesky bug bites. Next time you're itching like crazy, try this. Mix a little baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it directly to the bug bite. The baking soda helps to neutralize the insect venom, reduce itching, and reduce swelling. It's a natural and effective way to find relief from those annoying bites. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 surprising ways to use baking soda for perfect hair, skin, and health. Who knew that little box in your pantry could do so much? It's like having a secret weapon for looking and feeling your best, all without breaking the bank. Give them a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See y'all next time!